Hey everybody, it's Mike Frieder here with On-Call Compliance Solutions, and I'm back with another compliance tip of the week. This week we're talking about CMMC Control MP.L1-3.8.3, sanitize or destroy system media containing CUI before disposal or release for reuse. So hey, if you're a defense contractor who's feeling overwhelmed, tired, and alone, trying to understand all of this CMMC, DFARS, and NIST SP SP171 compliance stuff on top of an already colossal workload, well, I've got great news for you. You found your home here at On-Call Compliance Solutions, where we can help you transform into your company's on-call compliance hero. Let's jump into it. So, if you've talked about the idea that you can't just send computers, copiers, and any other medium that contains CUI off for repair, but now we're talking about the end of life, the big goodbye, walking the plank. At death do you part with your computer equipment. In NIST SP SP171, we have a clear directive that we must sanitize, must sanitize or destroy any media that contains CUI before disposal. By the way, here's a hint to my friends in manufacturing. This includes physical CUI, which could potentially include scrap or quality failed pieces, that kind of thing. All right, there's a lot to proper data destruction program, and if you need help with that, it's one of the many policies we customize for our clients when we work with them. But before we get carried away, let's zero in on what the assessors really want on this one, how to make them happy, because we love making assessors happy, right? All right, determine if system media containing CUI is sanitized or destroyed before disposal. This is implement C data destruction policy. Determine if system media containing CUI is sanitized before it is released for reuse. And of course, yes, see the data destruction policy, because you can't really give a demonstration of something that's been erased. I think that's how you do it. Yeah, no. Yeah, that's how to do it. That's what the assessors passed us on. So hey, at On-Call, guess what? We work with defense contractors just like you who have had this DFARS, NIST, ITAR, and CMMC compliance stuff dropped in their laps like a seagull on a sunny day, baby. We teach you how to level up and be a proper on-call compliance hero for your company, eliminating gaps, gray areas, and getting this solved, all while showing you how to leverage compliance as your secret weapon to land more defense work with higher profit margins. Now, that's what becoming an on-call compliance hero can do for you. If you're looking for more help getting compliant, our compliance experts are always on call for you. Visit cmmccompliancesecrets.com or check out the bio below for links to get help right now. If you love the content we're putting out there for you, help us out with a big thumbs up on that like button, or even better, Hulk smash that subscribe button, baby, and make sure you get those alerts, okay? These standards change a lot. There's a lot going on. And again, we want to make sure to get you the latest and greatest stuff. Until the next compliance tip, my friends, stay safe and secure out there. Hit us in the comments below to let us know what you'd like to know more about when it comes to information security and compliance. And I'll see you on the next one.